The festival tree is the heart of decorating holiday, but it doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, I will show you creative budget-friendly ways to make or decorate a beautiful festival tree using affordable supplies and even items and you already have at home. If you already own an artificial tree, great. You will work with that. But if you don't, there are low-cost options. Check thrift store for second-hand trees at a fraction of the price. Make a DIY wall tree using string lights, tape, and ornaments. Stake green branches or garlands into a cone shape for rustic space-saving tree. For small spaces, try a table loop version. Made them a cone of cardboard or foam. The size of your tree doesn't matter, the creativity you put into it does. Remember, if you have an artificial tree, take time to fluff it. Separate each branch so it looks fuller. Bend and angle branches to fill gaps. This little step instantly makes even a cheap tree look more expensive. Ornaments can add up quickly, but here's how to decorate on a budget. Use paper ornaments, fold colorful paper into stars, snowflakes, or origami tree. Make dried orange slices or cinnamon. Stick bundles for a cozy natural feel. Use ribbon scraps, fabric strips, or burlap bows. Repurpose old jewelry, brooches, or hair clips as a sparkling accent. Spray paint, pine cone, or twine in gold, silver, or white for elegant touches. Mixing handmade decoration with a few store-bought pieces gives your tree personality without overspending. Ornament ideas. Here's a few easy ornament ideas you can make in minutes. Mason jar slits. Glue fabric inside the ring and add a bow. Sourdough ornaments. Bake shapes and paint them. Mini gift boxes. Wrap small empty boxes in leftover wrapping paper. Photo ornaments. Print family pictures and clip them on with mini clothespin. Lights set the mood, but you don't need hundreds of expensive strands. Use what you already have and distribute evenly from top to bottom. Choose warm white for a classic look or mix colors for a playful style. For small trees, even a single strand can work. Just wave it in a zigzag pattern to make it look fuller. So, make your tree look stylish and put together. Choose 2 or 3 main colors. Classic red, green, and gold. Elegant white, silver, and champagne. Rustic brown, burlap, and forest green. Having a theme helps even inexpensive decoration look intentional and coordinated. So hope you like the all ideas and designs in this video. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family.